Hey guys, so we are into day 4 of me showing you the behind the scenes of the production of my hair care line. So on the first day, I showed you all the equipment and stuff that I use. The second day, I showed you how I make shampoo. The third day, I showed you how I make my conditioner. And on day 4, I'm going to show you how I package up and prepare the products to be shipped out to my lovely customers. So my product line is called Lengthy Strands. You can go check it out at lenthystrands.com. And let's just go on ahead and get right into everything, how I package and prepare my products for shipment. So I just want to show you guys the boxes. I have various sizes, depending on the order. Some people just order 1 or 2 products. Some people order a whole slew of products, so it just really depends. This is the tissue paper that I use, and I'll cut that into various sizes depending on the size of the box. And so here I have the crumpled up or shredded up paper that goes inside to, keep the item safe and secure and from moving all over the place, because I try my best not to, have the packages get damaged. And so I try to put that in there like a filler, I guess. A filler, it's a filler. So here I have this brown craft paper that I put inside each and every box because I want to make sure that your box gets to you safe and secure. I have the little stickers. Let me turn it that way. Let's say Lengthy Strands. And then I also have my note cards that I put into each and every order. Thank you for your support. I love you guys. You are so amazing. I couldn't do it without you. Whenever I'm packaging orders, I always like to go on ahead and make up all the boxes first. It just makes it more efficient for me because, in all honesty, putting boxes together is my least favorite part of packaging items, but it has to be done, so I go ahead and do it first and get it out of the way. And I use boxes of varying sizes depending on the order, small, medium, large, extra large, depending on how many products are ordered. And I like to double tape my boxes just to be sure that nothing falls out, that everything is safe and secure, and it's going to get to you all in one piece. So I'm a double taper. I don't care about the cost of the extra tape. I just double tape because it makes me feel more secure in sending the package out to you. So now I'm getting ready to show you how I actually put the boxes together with the products on the inside. So I always bend the flaps of the box over so they won't be in my way. And I take 2 pieces of tissue paper and put it neatly inside the box because I like to have tissue paper hanging off of each side. That way when I put the products in, I'll have room for the tissue paper to be folded over the products. And now I'm going to stuff it with the filler paper enough so it can have like a good foundation to put the products into. And I'll use extra if I have to. I don't skimp there. I don't skimp on the packaging. And now I'm just going to neatly place the products. I'm going to nestle them into the filler paper so they can be nice and secure, so they can get to the customer safe, unharmed. But accidents do happen sometimes, but for the most part, the way that I package gets the items to you safe and secure. And now I have to double check the order to make sure that everything that's on the order is inside the box. Very important. And then I fold the tissue paper down, one over the other, one piece over the other, and I place a sticker in the middle just to hold it down. And now that part's finished. And to make the box even more safe and secure, I'm going to take that craft paper that I showed you earlier and I'm going to ball it up. And I'm going to stick several pieces inside the box to fill in the extra spaces in the box. That way, when everything is said and done, when the box is closed, nothing will be moving inside the box. And when you pack items like this, items that don't move don't get broken. They don't get damaged. So I'm going to put several pieces of tissue paper in there and squeeze them down and make sure I have enough to fill the box up. And now that I've finished putting the craft paper in, I'm going to take the packing slip and then the thank you card and put it at the top of the box. So that'll be the very first thing that you see when you open the box. And I'm going to secure that down. Yep, squeezing the box together because the box tends to like keep separating, but I try to squeeze it together so that I can get a good secure fit on there. And then I'm going to tape it down with 2 pieces of tape because that's very important to make sure the box is safe and secure. And that's how I package. And of course, after that, I'm going to put the packing slip on, but I'm not going to show you that part. That's easy peasy. Here is a printer that I use. You can either plug it up to your computer or plug it up to your phone, and I love it. It works well. It's not wireless, but it still gets the job done. And here is the paper that I use. And these items, you can get them on Amazon. And I probably should have said where I get the other stuff from, but maybe I'll do that in like another video. Like if I do like another business type video, tell you where you can get supplies and stuff from. But this is the paper that I use, and it's a thermal paper, and so you don't have to worry about like if it's raining outside or whatever, that something's going to rub off because it thermally prints onto it, and you don't have to worry about ink or anything like that, which is fantastic for shipping, because having to buy ink in addition to everything else, it can be an extra expense, and we try to steer clear of that type of stuff. Try to keep our expenses down. We're business people. We don't want to give away all of our money. And let me just give you like a little glimpse of like the products. They're all ready and set to go. Ready to be shipped out to you on March 20th, starting March 20th. So if you haven't done it already, go on ahead and watch the previous videos in this series, the tools I use in production, and also how I make the shampoo and conditioner, and of course this video where I'm packaging. Go on ahead and watch the videos to the end because there's a lot of good information in there, y'all. Don't skip. This is education, y'all. Free education. But yeah, go on ahead and check out the products at lenthystrands.com. And if you haven't tried them already, they're amazing products for textured hair, soften, hydrate, manage your hair. And I'm dropping stuff here before the day. But yeah, go on ahead and check the products out at lenthystrands.com. And I thank you guys so much for being just amazing and supportive and just watching all my videos and ordering my products and stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless you. I'll talk to you later. Bye.